In this video, we will discuss multi-user on the DS7 touchscreen. Note, offline multi-user functionality is available on the DS7. However, syncing user accounts across multiple devices is only available on delivery units that have been registered to an A-dec Plus account. User accounts can be added or removed by the clinic administrator. Begin by selecting the user icon. Select your desired user profile. A banner will appear if the selected profile is in use on another system. The name at the top of the screen will update to reflect the selected profile. Profiles can be starred by selecting the star to the right of the name. Starred profiles appear at the top of the list. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.